If you look at this question now, we know the formula, direct formula substitution question. This is asked in the CET exam. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula, that is equal to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy form. Okay, so what do we get here now? Tan inverse of this question, you mark this as a question asked in the CET exam. Is it okay? 1 by 3 plus 3 divided by 4 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 3 by 4. So this is equal to tan inverse of x divided by 3. So tan inverse of 4 plus 9 divided by 12 whole divided by 12 minus 3 divided by 12. Okay, that is equal to tan inverse of x divided by 3. So if you can compare on both sides now, tan inverse will get compared, right? 13, 12 will get cancelled. 13 by 9, that is equal to x by 3. So what is the value of x is equal to 13 by 9 multiplied by 3. X is equal to 13 by 3 is the answer to the question.